Hello guys, we are here to present an onboarding video on how to set up BlackArrow for futures trading in US. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna start with the basics. Let's go directly to charts. So if you click here on a new chart, you can see here the mini S&P 500 futures that are set up and ready for trading, right? And what we can do here, I'm gonna do 1 minute chart, so for you to see the chart moving, and just for you to understand, you can do a lot of things here. I'm gonna start with first changing the visibility and the colors of the chart. Okay, so even I can hide chart trading or no, but let's go to settings, more settings, and appearance. Okay, so you can change, you can see that it's on a light mode. I can go classic, I can even go dark mode, and I'm gonna go new dark. Okay, so this is the new chart that I'm gonna be using. Okay, and I'm gonna place another chart. Okay, so for you to see how many possibilities you have here. Okay, on this chart, instead of S&P 500, let's go with Nasdaq futures. So here you go, you see any one of these could work here. Okay, so that's another one. You can simply adjust to your desktop solution so you can place trades and see whatever it's moving. Okay, so for now, besides the chart, and I want to go deeper on trading later, I'm going to continue with the onboarding solution. Let's go to market depth. So here you can see the market depth for Nasdaq 100, and also we're gonna get times and sales. As you can see, I'm seeing the market data for Nasdaq 100, but let's see, I wanna link with this channel over here. So link with one, so I go here and basically I can asset link with this one. Let's say we want to see gold, so we go here to futures, and we have the micro gold futures. If I click here, pretty much all of the windows, they change. Okay, so let's come back to Nasdaq because the volume it's better. There we go. So you can see a lot of things. You can also be able to trade with the SuperDOM, that you can place orders. Let's say I'm gonna place one contract on this place right here. You can see that it's right here in my order. I can even move it. You gotta confirm, so I'm gonna take it off, so I don't need to confirm anymore. And you can basically change the order through here. Okay, so this is a really nice feature for futures trading. You can even see some more depth. This is level 2, right? Market data for that. And you can see that it's really simple. You place orders, right? So I can click shift right here, and you can see that a buy order, it's already here. Simple as that. Sell order, I place alt, and sell order, it's right here. Okay, let's continue with other features that you can add on your desktop solution. Okay, so first of it, order list. Why? Because I want to see what's the orders I have already placed, and that's one of them, right? So basically you can see what is active, what is filled. There is nothing filled, of course. And let's go also to, let's get the trade performance profile. No, the performance profile is not the best one. Let's go with the portfolio. So pretty much I can see whatever I have on positions or future positions. So in this case, I'm gonna put this right here so you can see everything that is here. Okay, so here you can see all the orders and all the information that it's needed for you to start trading. Okay, so here let me just adjust here to put my camera over here so you can see what's going on right here. So we have all the information from active orders and positions. So since I didn't execute any positions, I'm gonna drag my order for execution. Confirm changes, and there we go. We have a new order placed at the chart, and you can even I'm gonna cancel this order just for you to understand what I can do. So imagine I want to place a stop. It's like if I click here, an automatic stop comes right away, and it's there, right? So I'm gonna do it on a different way. I'm gonna place a OCO order. If I go here and click OCO, add OCO, I can even take profit right here and take the stop loss right here. So whatever the stop, and you can even see how much money you're gonna make or lose, right? So that's amazing features. I'm already losing, right? But pretty much that's the amazing features that you can see and use on a daily basis for trading. Let me get another one. We also have, let's see what works best here in terms of studies, tools. For example, volume at price. You can see how much volume there is in each level of the market. So we are in the 23.18. It's right there. That's why you have more orders, right? So we are right here. Look how many orders there are in each place. So this is a nice feature as well to follow and see how many orders you have. Okay, so you can see also that my order, my execution was here, so you can see how much money I'm losing on this trade right now. And I'm gonna go 1 minute chart on this one, so you can see how simple and quick I can adjust all my information to place new orders, right? So imagine I want to see what's this indicator. It's a view up. Imagine I want to add some indicator. Look how many indicators we have. So can even add Bollinger Bands or RSI, for example. Let's add RSI, so we can take one decision of this stock based on RSI. So now you can see that my order it's going on my favor, and I want to close the order. So I'm gonna put here a sell limit and try to close the order while I watch my P&L and other features that I can show you, right? So we can get here some variation analysis. So now you can see that I'm gonna place an order, a sell order, right here, right? So I'm long 100 shares and I want to sell my position on a $175 win. And in case the market changes the side, I just want to close the position. How do I close the position real quick? I can come even here, right? If I place here, so I sold my shares, making $60 right here, and you can see that the other order was canceled. Okay, so that is another feature that it's easy and quick to trade. Okay, so other things that you might be able to use are some indicators. So let's see some nice indicators that we have here. So we have volume. So for example, it's a simple and quick tool to add, so you can see how much volume per moment during the trade. And also you have informations like economic calendars. Economic calendars, you can see what's going on in the world in terms of news and what's the expected news for the day that you are trading, right? So you can see the impact for each one, the numbers and the information that comes. So you choose all, you even choose the country that you want to see, just US here, for example. Even the categories, it's really a lot of information that you can manage to see. And you know that as a trader, futures trader especially, this information creates volatility, and that's what we need as a trader, right? So that's pretty much some of the features that we have here for you as a futures trader to place orders and make money in the market. Okay, so for now, that's a first video that I'm gonna end right here, and feel free to send us suggestions for new videos, and we are here to help you guys succeed on the financial markets.